Hello and good day, traders. This is a pair Great Britain pound and Japanese yen, and we are currently in 12 months or 1 year time frame. And if you guys see that the price of Gbpjpy reached to its peak this year already in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 years, and here we have a yearly double top can be formed, or we can say that in the month of, if we go to monthly time frame, in the month of November it has already entered into the frame time zone where the price is almost touched the peak, and it had started coming down this month. So officially we cannot say a double top, though we have a green and red here and here green and red, because it's still today is 17th of December, so until 31st December we cannot say anything here, though the market will close on 29th December because 29th is the last working day of this year. After that 30 and 31st of December are Saturday and Sunday. So this is the situation at the moment, and considering this potential double top in the monthly time frame, and this is the lower I mean the double bottom, the middle of the monthly price is here somewhere here. Now if we go to, so this we cannot declare as a double top in month, so I put the box here in black, not in red. If I have made it red it would have been official. So let's go to weekly and see what is happening in weekly. You guys can see here that there is a double top here officially, because this is green and red, and here we can have the same green and red. So let's turn it off in other time frame, so we can officially declare that this is a weekly double top we have already in weekly time frame. Okay, so if we now draw it properly from here, this is the place, is the higher range of the double top. I beg your pardon, this should be like this, and the lower range should be and the lower is somewhere here. Let me increase a little so you guys can see it properly. This is the lower range of the price, so let's mark it in the lower range, and if we draw that rectangle here, and it is officially double top in weekly time frame, as we have the here the green and red, and we have the same on our current price area. Let's go there. So it is already here, so we have a official double top in weekly. So now after making this double top on weekly, it came down, and still it is in red, and we don't know what is happening here, but the price has stopped here after coming, once this big shadow has been created in the week previous week of the last week, and this one is the current week. The last week we had this one, so let's we don't have anything in weekly, because to declare a double bottom here we need a red and green. We don't have it, so let's go to daily, and we can see that in daily it has the price. I have to open it up, sorry guys, let me open these guys in daily time frame, otherwise we will not be able to understand the whole effect. Hold on guys, just give me 30 seconds. Let me turn them on. Where is this? No, I want this guys to go. Hold on. Yes, we are done. So if we move to daily now, we can see that in daily chart, after making this double top in weekly, it came down and it tried to it made a double bottom here with this red and green and red and green. Just to clear it out, that to form a double bottom we need red green to make a double top we need a green and red, something like this. Okay, so this came down and it pushed the price again, getting a bullish again. So if we measure the depth here very clearly, we can see that it has reached the 50% level already. It fulfilled the first double bottom here. This was the first double bottom in daily, in compared to this guy. So this guy and this guy was our first double bottom. Now it to fulfill the double bottom, it already made the journey from here to here. This was the total gain, and 50% is here. So if we mark it, the 50% that it has made its journey already, and after reaching the 50%, you guys can see that it couldn't break the 50% and it again got bearish, and this time it made triple bottom. Can you guys see? Now as per the normal way of thinking, so far we know any price zone where the price reaches more than twice that zone become fragile, and we are seeing some price action here already, that it after making the triple bottom it tried to went up again. It opened here, came down and tried to go up, and it failed and it came down again, and it is in bearish mood. So my outlook for GBP USD is currently not bearish, not bullish, because it until this zone is broken, we cannot say what is going to happen. So if we go to 4-hourly, we can see that this is the first double bottom it created after the weekly double top. So this is the guy created, and it went up, came down, and it again tried to went up. And now if we measure the depth of this market from here to here, let me draw it properly. From here to here, we can see that this cup and handle has reached a little bit over 50%. This is an inverted cup. If we draw it like this, it will become an inverted cup actually, and it made it journey 50% or little bit more than 50%, and it is coming back. Now I have two options here. There is one option is this, that if the price reaction we got here is like something like this and failed to break this area, then it will move up to, let me show you, up to it will come here also, and it will give some reaction of price reaction, and then it will try to reach this area, the inverted cup top. This is one option, but this option is completely based on price action. I cannot confirm yet because the price action doesn't give me any indication that it will move like this. On the contrary, if we have initially, if another thing we can see that, considering if we go to day here, we can see this is a very big cup and this is the handle also. Can you guys see or not? I don't know. Let me draw it here also. It will be a little bit messy, but I hope you guys will understand. This is the thing and this is the cup handle, and this inverted cup and handle, it already fulfilled the 50%. So considering this big cup, forgetting this small cup we drawn earlier, let me take that out so you guys can understand it very clearly. Forget this small cup, forgetting this small cup. Where is this? Here it is. So forgetting this small cup, if we go to bigger picture, the cup from here to here, and the 50% is here already, which we already marked here with this line. And if it fulfilled that guy, and we can see that it has, the bigger cup has been fulfilled already, and it has came to its neckline again. So the one option I have given you in respect to the smaller cup and its handle, but this bigger cup we have to keep on under consideration. So, and if this neckline of the cup, this is the neckline of the cup, if you guys can see, where how should I show you guys? This is okay, hold on, this is the neckline of the cup. If this neckline is broken, guys, then we have a bigger bearish setup will occur immediately. And if we, and that the range of that will be from here, it will come down the market to here at least, and the 50% of it will be here, and which give us the idea of this area also. This is the area where the price will start reacting. So I am expecting 50% somewhere here. So this is another thing we have to keep in mind, that these are the two options we have at the moment. And if I draw the line that the price is here, it will come down like this, and it will give a reaction, and it will fail to break this line on the top side, and it will at least come here. And if it breaks this line, then it will come here onto this position. And most likely, if I'm not wrong, the probability of being bearish is much more higher. But until otherwise I see some price action here or here, I am not going to take any trade on Gbpjpy at the moment. So let's wait and see if in first 2 days what is going to happen, because out of 20% of the total 20% of the total economists are saying that Japanese Bank of Japan is going to increase the interest rate in January, and 80% is saying it may take up to April or July, or maybe after third quarter of the next year. So we don't know. And the whatever this downtrend, bearish trend we have got, it is due to that news only. There was no fundamental change, because the price, the interest rate of British pound and Japanese is still remained the same 2 weeks or one month back, even it is same. So there is no that much fundamental change. Only the news is creating this wave at the moment. So be careful when we trade the news. We need to be very careful. In my opinion, I am very less optimistic. Let me give you my view honestly. This is less optimistic at the moment for on my part. But this is I'm very much in my opinion, it will be more bullish bias. The price will GBP will gain some strength over Japanese yen initially. Then maybe it will come down, but not at the moment I can confirm. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Make your risk management accordingly, so you don't lose the money. And please, I will suggest to take trade if the price break this lower price zone or the upper price zone. If the price breaks on the upper price zone, go for the long. And if the price breaks this lower price zone, the bottom blue line, then go for short. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.